What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the best AliExpress promo codes in 2023. These will get you free stuff from AliExpress as well as save you a huge amount of money. There is actually two promo codes that I'm going to show you how to get today. One of them is $100 off your order. The second one is get any 5 products for free off AliExpress. Now, there are not many promo codes for AliExpress. I managed to find probably 2 of the best. Now, they're quick and easy to get. It takes around 5 minutes, but I think we can all agree when you're saving this much money, it's well worth your time. It's money. It's time well spent saving you big money. Anyway. Let me show you guys where you have to go to get your free AliExpress promo codes. Now, you need to grab your mobile phone. You can do it on your computer if you wish. As you can see, I've got it in the background here. However, it's probably twice as easy on your mobile phone, and you'll see why as I run through the steps. You need to open up the internet and go to let me try and focus the camera. www.giftcardhero.net. Now, when you reach the website, you're going to come across a homepage such as this, and there is a ton of different pages, but we need to look for the AliExpress page, guys. To do so, we have to press this green square button at the bottom of the screen that says menu, and there is actually a search function built in. So let's just type in AliExpress. Here we go. AliExpress promo codes 2023. So let's press this page. Scroll down. This has been used a ton of times by loads of people across the world. You can hear I'm in the UK, but these codes work worldwide. Now, as previously discussed, there are 2 codes to choose from. So you have a $100 off your order code for new and existing customers, and there is a any 5 products for free. Now, this code is pretty cool. So basically, guys, just work out what one will be better for you. Obviously, if you're going to choose 5 products that are less than 100, you may as well use the 100 off your order code and get more items, but it all depends on your personal preference. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this 5 products for free promo code. So let's click the button. Now, there is a verification. Basically, this protects the codes from people who create robots to steal them. The codes are limited, so this is vital to protect them. However, we just need to unlock it, and it takes a few minutes, and it's pretty easy, and of course it's completely free. We just have to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. Takes 30 seconds, and this verifies you're not a robot. So basically, we have a list of tasks here. We just got to complete 2 of them. These can range from apps and surveys. And there is a description below how to complete each one. So just choose 2 that you think are the easiest. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Answer the questions. And I've got to input my email address and follow the rest of the steps. So give me 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to complete this, then I'm going to complete a second one, and we'll return and see if it gives me the code. Once you've completed 2 of these offers, I've just done the 2 surveys. I find the surveys the easiest. Now, it says complete 2, however, the last time I tried this, I did 2 and it didn't work, and I had to complete a 3rd and then it worked. So sometimes I think there's a bug, but I've just done 2. And now when we return to Gift Card Hero, scroll down past this one because we didn't choose this one, we chose this, and there you go. This is my any 5 products for free promo code for AliExpress. When I enter this in the basket and add 5 products to the basket, it's going to reduce the balance to 0. So that is how easy it is, guys. Now, these codes, like I say, are limited and they can only be used once. So you have to go to giftcardhero.net and yeah, watch this tutorial. If you have any questions on how, if you get stuck at any point or on how to get your code, just leave a comment below. Press the like button if I successfully saved you money, and yeah, subscribe because I'm always making these videos. And of course, go to Gift Card Hero because there is a ton of different pages on here. There is something for everyone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.